Hi guys, this is Cryptonary. Cryptonary will be your new daily portal for the latest news, analysis, rumours and overall market talk on everything important happening in the cryptocurrency world. I am now going to explain in less than 5 minutes what you need to know about cryptocurrencies and the evolution of money. Crypto is the term used to describe a digital or virtual coin, not issued by a government or central bank. The coins are generated all over the internet by anybody running an application called a digital currency miner. Quite simply, the mining application verifies payments sent on the network, and in return, the miner receives a reward, basically the crypto. Banks are now looking into this tech, governments are researching how to implement it, and most likely, even the local paperboy is asking how to get involved. Cryptos are most frequently used as a currency for transactions across the web. However, cryptos can also be used as a stock in a company, where you receive dividends in return for ownership, or in some cases, given the privilege for voting rights in executive decisions, although it doesn't end there. Some of its other use cases can be a store of value, for whatever the creator decides it is worth, or a bridging asset, for example converting euro to crypto, then the crypto to USD. Finally, the most popular use case would be a speculative asset for trading and investment purposes. Now, although this technology has been out for over 8 years now, public adoption is still what many consider to be at the ground level. Due to the entire market cap only being around $153 billion, not too bad when you consider the FX market has a turnover of over $5.3 trillion a day. Putting this in perspective, we are in a complete new market, new territory, with a lot less regulation than the FX or stock market. Of course, with that brings a lot more speculation than the mentioned markets. But that also means a lot of money can be made in a very short space of time. Which brings us to the root cause of cryptocurrency's creation, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first virtual currency of its kind, formed from the many failed attempts at a centralized digital coin. Its creator Satoshi, who to this day remains anonymous, found that by handling all transactions sent between peers on a network called the blockchain, verified by miners as stated earlier, a decentralized network is formed from this, meaning no third parties such as a bank or government can interfere. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock for the past few years, you've most likely seen Bitcoin mentioned in a few news articles, maybe even on the TV, and that would be mainly down to this. During the early development stages in 2010, the price of one Bitcoin was just 0.08 cents. The chart shown only starts from 2012, with the price around the $2 region for the majority of the year, followed by what seems an absolutely huge surge to $260, and then an immediate fall back to $60, following at the time a hacking scandal of the biggest Bitcoin exchange in the world. As substantial as those gains and losses seem, if we fast forward to the monthly chart and today's price, we're currently sitting at around $4,150 per Bitcoin. Let's put this into perspective. Investors that held from 2010 to the current price levels would have made almost 520,000% in around 7 years. Not bad when you consider most stock market investors expect around 40 to 60% in that same time period. But let's take this further using a simple stock profit calculator. The 2010 price, 0.08 cents, followed by the current approximate price of $4,150. I'll tell you what, let's use a very small initial investment of just $200. Right now, you would have over $10.3 million in profits, with just under a 520,000% gain. And the beauty of crypto right now is that these opportunities are arising on almost a monthly basis. We are seeing coins rise 300% some days, purely off speculation alone. The beauty of this is, there has never been a better time to get such an incredible return on investment. Cryptonary will be how you achieve this. We will be your go-to place for growing a new skill set and becoming a professional in an industry so few understand. Quite simply, We analyse, we value, you trade.